Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail or cover art to a video file. This is a simple but useful trick that can help make your videos look more professional and eye-catching, so let's get started. First things first, let's get a cool thumbnail. Here I am in my YouTube channel where all my wonderful videos are hosted. To download a thumbnail, simply copy the link of the video, then paste the link into this website. Then, press the Get Thumbnail Images button. You now have the thumbnail in HD quality. From the context menu, select the Save Image as command to download the image in the best quality available. Give the file a useful name so you can easily identify it later. Next, let's grab a video. I'm going to use again one of my own videos from my YouTube channel as an example. There are plenty of tools and methods to download a video, so use whichever one you prefer, or alternatively, you can use an existing video that's already stored on your hard drive. Now that you have both the video and the thumbnail on your desktop, you're ready to add the thumbnail to the video. I'm going to show you different methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your specific use case. LosslessCut is a fast and free video cutter that allows you to cut or merge videos without any quality loss because no re-encoding is necessary. While you can use the software for a variety of tasks, today I'm going to show you how to use it to add a thumbnail or cover art to a video file. First, use the link from the video description to go to the LosslessCut website and download your free copy. Note that LosslessCut supports many operating systems, so be sure to choose the correct one for your device. After downloading, let's proceed to add the thumbnail to the video. To do this, open the folder where you downloaded the LosslessCut application and start the LosslessCut executable. Now, drag and drop the video file into the LosslessCut window, where you can preview the video by pressing the play button and selecting a specific position on the timeline. Next, add your desired thumbnail to the video and you're all set and ready to go. Select Include All Tracks from the new file. To attach the thumbnail file, select the Attached Pic command from the drop-down menu. Press the X button to close the current window, and then click the Export button located at the bottom right corner of the LosslessCut application. Note that since I've selected the web file format for export, this method of adding a thumbnail won't work. If you're interested in learning how to add a thumbnail or cover art to a web file, let me know in the comments below and I might create a separate video on that topic. To proceed, select MP4 as the output container format from the drop-down menu. The export process has completed successfully and the thumbnail has now been added to your video file. Let's take a look at how the video file appears now in Windows Explorer with the newly added thumbnail. If you didn't like using LosslessCut or if it didn't work out for you and you were unable to add a thumbnail or cover art, don't worry. I'd like to show you an alternative method. MP3Tag is a very powerful application, primarily used for editing MP3 files, but it can also be utilized for other purposes, including adding thumbnails or cover art to video files. The installation process for MP3Tag is straightforward, and as I always prefer, I'll be opting for a portable installation. Run MP3Tag, then drag and drop the video file into the application. And if the Add Cover command is grayed out, make sure the file is selected, then right-click in the bottom left area and choose Add Cover from the context menu. Finally, press the floppy disk icon to save the changes, which will add the cover art to the video file. That's it for this video, where I've shown you how to add cover art or thumbnails to MP4 video files for free using LosslessCut and MP3Tag. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.